Rippa R13 mini excavator. Saw some people with some bent hydraulic quick thumb plates because of these bolts. There's a pair in the middle, there's a pair up top, and this pair down below. So these are all marked metric 8.8. So I just learned that that's the equivalent of SAE grade 5. So I'm going to have to upgrade them to 10.9s. And this bolt, I'm going to need 6 of these. They're all identical. They are 10 millimeter M10s, and the length is I'm going to guess 30. It looks like 30 to me. Okay, so 6 of those, and then we got a bunch of these metric grade 8. These are skinnier. These are M8s, and they come in different lengths. So let's just confirm M8 here. So M8. $17 millimeter head on that, 13 on this. And these are 50. So this one in particular came off of this pin. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then there's this pin here, which is a little shorter. This looks again like the 30. Let's see. Oh, that's 40. Okay, so that's 40. So I need 140. And then there's one pin over there and one pin over here. These are even longer. These are 70. So that one's 70, and there's one more on the other side. Let's see. Yeah, that seems like a super long one. Doesn't I could go with a shorter one, but I can get 2 70s. And whatever I said in the videos. I'm hoping these pins, these bolts are also metric 8.8, but those just hold the pins in. So yeah, I saw this whole thing like bend out because those bolts broke off. So we don't want that. And there was no Loctite on them. I'm going to put some blue at the minimum, maybe red, but I'll post a follow-up video of when I'm done.